The following film is a work of Turkey fiction. It is loosely based on Turkey events and is in no way meant to be real. Except for historical events, that part is fiction.
It's everyone's favorite part. Unless, of course, you are the meal.
You don't get it. They can eat us. So they're fattening us up so they can kill us.
I guess it's just you and me.
Get the hell off my property!
Do not make a sound.
Grandma, it's me, Anastasia.
Reggie, this is our destiny. My destiny has pizza.
And streaming videos on demand.
Play with us before we melt. Everybody enjoy yourself.
End of the line for you.
I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh.
Yeah, let's just be dogs. I'll be a boxer and you just be a Shiba Inu. Arrgh.
I did not say that, you ass!
Attack!
Those are some angry birds.
I cannot be denied by that filthy turkey! Whoa!